Ginagita natin. Bianca Manalo is also here to support.
Hi, Bianca.
Mother.
Maraming salamat sa pag-ibig sa akin. Enjoy the night and I will see you guys over here. Thank you. Hindi naman question ako kahapon. Sino get ready for an exciting night? Kasi sabi nila nakakaiyak daw lahat mararaman ko sa pelikula.
Totoo yan, Michael. Isa tayo sa mga swerte na kapanood na ng pelikula. Kaya nung paulit ko sinasabi natin na sweet at kabayan nila dito. Halos lahat ng emosyon, mararamdaman nila ngayong Pasko sa pelikula ng Only Mother.
All in one in just 2 days. December 25. Merry Christmas sa inyong lahat. And of course, sumod na tayo sa mga sinihan. And season na lang, 51st Metro Manila na sila. Ano movie ang papanood natin? Call Me Mother. The Call Me Mother.
Yes, actually, hello po, Ilo po. Magandang gabi po. Samahan ngayong gabi dito at pagkakuha ng maraming salamat. Sana, ikakagawin na natin dito yung kaawal ng ano para syempre, inagyan ko sa iyo celebrity screening and hashtag Call Me Mother. Of course, after dyan sa ating vanity ball, pwede natin papuntahin dito si Ryan and si Ayon. Of course, to meet and invite them to watch Call Me Mother. Ayan, may mga nasa gilid na pumapasok na maraming salamat po. Please proceed lang po tayo sa Cinema 3.
Welcome to all our guests that are present here tonight. Head on into Cinema 3. Get yourselves comfy. Get your popcorn, everything that you need for the premiere of Call Me Mother. And again, guys, reminder na let's be mindful of our valuables and when we're inside the cinema.
People! Gusto ko batiin sa inyo lahat ng madalang people nandito. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Panoorin natin simula December 25. Call Me Mother! Siyempre, pelikula ni Mami Vice. Supportahan po natin at sigurado ako may enjoy po kayo lahat. Ito po pelikula ay para sa inyo na yung Pasko para sa mga pamilya. Thank you po, maraming salamat po.
Thank you po sa inyo lahat. Una-una, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year po sa inyo lahat. Sabay-sabay po nating panoorin mamaya yung pelikula ni Mimi na Call Me Mother para po to sa pwede po sa mga bata tsaka hanggang sa matanda. And panoorin po natin yung mga lahat ng pelikula pero unahin lang po natin yung Call Me Mother, please. Thank you, Madam People.
Talaga ang mga supporter ng ating mga kapamilya artist, especially sa showtime na nakita ko na sa likod. Yes, nakita ko sila, hindi ko nabulog. Nakita ko sila dyan. Ano naglalakad na sa ating partner.
To all our VIP guests that are already here, all the taking moments, please head in on to Cinema 3 for the premiere of Call Me Mother. Thank you so much, and to all our VIP guests who just got here, welcome! Kaya dito guys, December 25, magsisimula na ang 51st Metro Manila Film Festival. There are 8 entries. 8 entries in the film festival this year. So natin lahat ng mga pelikulang Pilipino at unahin na natin ang
Only Mother, nakikita ko sa ating wall, Kim and Yani. Hi, nakikita ko kayo, hindi kayo para...
Yes, grabe sa sana manood kayo ng Call Me Mother this December 25. Yes.
Thank you guys for coming here tonight. Yes.
Okay, sige, handa na.
Iyan ako kayo. Maraming salamat.
Enjoy the rest of your night.
Ay, kailangan na nararamdaman ko ng suporta. Thank you also for coming tonight for your support to watch Bobby Movie. Maraming salamat po. Pwede na din kayo mag-proceed sa inyo.
Thank you guys. Merry Christmas.
Ayan, please. Pwede na po kayo mag-proceed sa inyo.
And I want to say to all our ticket holders, all our guests, you guys can enter Cinema Theater to everybody here in just a few. Malapit natin ang bigawing cast ng Call Me Mother. excited na po ang lahat. Tayo sa stage nila. Please, isa lang ang
Yes! Isa lang ang ibig sabihin niyan. Dahil narinig na natin ang pag-shock na kayo ng mga papakyat dito. Nabigyan sa Paula Force ng mga artists na mga First company. And please invite them to watch Call Me Mother.
Hello everyone. We are so honored to be here in the premiere of Call Me Mother. I'm very excited to watch it with you guys.
Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much. Ayan, pwede na po tayo.
Thank you for
Mag-proceed
coming
sa
to support.
Cinema 3.
Head on into Cinema 3. Thank you guys.
Of course, to support also mga hosts. Sir Vong.
Please batiin niyo muna
Jackie,
po.
ate girl Jackie, please.
Jackie, welcome.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa lahat, madlang people. Inaanyayahan po namin kayong manood po ng Call Me Mother. Support po natin si Meme at ang buong cast. Of course, sa Star Cinema at si Direk Jun. Sigurado akong iiyak kayo, tatawa kayo, pampamilya po, magkakaibigan, lahat-lahat po kayo. Maraming po salamat.
Sino excited manood ng Call Me Mother? Yan, ganyan ang excitement. Sana po supportahan natin ang Call Me Mother. Yayain nyo na lahat ng kapamilya nyo, friends nyo, lahat kung sino man ang manood ng Call Me Mother. December 25 na!
Thank you, ate girl.
Yes! Manonood ba tayo ng Call Me Mother? Yes! Nasubukan ko na ang tambalang Vice Ganda at June Robles Lala doon sa Enterprise Winners kaya I'm sure hindi sila papayag ng maganda, mas maganda itong Call Me Mother plus Nadine Lustre. Yeah!
Yes.
December 21 po, sabay-sabay natin panoorin.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat. Grabe din talaga yung suporta kay Meme. Ang bong.
Thank you guys for being here. To all our guests, welcome to the grand premiere night of Call Me Mother. Feel free to head on inside Cinema number 3. You get settled and get ready for a fun
Yes.
night ahead of you.
Robbie Domingo is also here and Ann Curtis. Hi po.
Hi everyone! What's up, Manlang Megamon?
Yes, Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas po.
Merry Christmas, Miss Anne. How do you feel na ngayon ang premiere night ng Meme Vice natin, Call Me Mother, tonight?
My sister, Red. Of course, I'm always so proud of Vice because whenever Vice decides he's going to do a movie, it's really, you know it's going to be worthwhile. Especially alongside the one and only Direk June Lana. You know the story is going to be really, really good. So I'm so excited to see another side of Vice again.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
po.
Bye!
Sabi nga ni Miss
Sebastian
Anne,
Castro.
it'll be worthwhile
Yes.
dito.
Sebastian Castro is also here. Hello po. Good evening. Pwede po tayo makita ng stage. Thank you so much, Sebastian.
Enjoy the movie, Milo.
Eto na. First, Bobby, Sean, and Darren, please.
Welcome guys sa SM Megamall. Please, batiin niyo muna.
What's up, Madlang people? Ayan, patuloy po natin supportahan sila Ate Vice para manood tayo ng Call Me Mother and syempre si Darren.
Yes, and madlang people, sana po i-supportan po natin ang Call Me Mother out on Christmas Day sa Pasko, December 25 na po. Supportan po natin sina Ate Vice.
Kuya Robbie.
Bago tayo mawi-wawi, call me mommy. Call me mother muna tayo.
Yes.
Please supportan po natin ang mother of all MMFF films this year. Call me mother.
Thank you.